In the example below, we sort our list array using different syntax options, and we go from the long format to a really short format. Getting familiar with the different syntax options is key to become more comfortable with using higher order functions such as the sorted functions. So what we have here, let's just take a look. We have a list of letters, and this is currently not sorted. And now we want to sort it in reverse order, starting with the biggest letter first. And the way to do that is we basically say s1 equals list.sorted, and then we say sorted by, and here comes our big closure. Up here we say pass in arguments a and b. A will be the first element in the array, followed by the next item. And then return a is greater than b. So compare the two items and return the bigger item first. And then keep doing that in the sort function. And when we do that, we should end up with a list, that an array that basically goes CBA, and we can see that that works when we print it. So we can say print S1, and you can see that it successfully sorted our list array in reverse order from largest letter to the smallest letter. And now you can see that this syntax can be simplified. We don't need these brackets around the parameters that we're passing in. And we also don't need the return statement. We can just say pass in A and B, and then compare A is greater than B. We can also go back to the shorthand method and use $0 and $1, just like we did in lesson 10. Lastly, we could also just use the greater than operator, and this basically says, okay, return this list in a sorted way from biggest to smallest. You could also reverse this sign and then sort it from smallest to biggest. So the option is really up to you. And you will encounter many different formats for the syntax, and it's important to be familiar with it so that you don't get thrown off, so that you can follow it, understand it, comprehend it, and work with it.